Hi my friends, so after making my beetroot juice, what happens to the fiber? Yes, what you're seeing now. Now I'm going to tell you something really very interesting. I don't throw the fiber away. This is what I do with it. Tana, yes, I use it to make beetroot fufu because the body still needs the fiber, right? It's okay to take the juice, but the fiber is also beneficial to the human body. How did I achieve this beetroot fufu? Now, that is what I'm going to explain in this video. And if you're interested, I will encourage you to sit tight and watch this video from beginning to the end. And if you find it very useful and you've not subscribed to this channel, consider clicking that red button that shows subscribe, and the bell sign will show. Click the bell sign, choose the option that shows all. That way you get all my notifications anytime I post updates like this and healthy menu like this. You will get a notification. So let's go. So I get a fiber like this after making my beetroot juice. Right now I don't throw it away. This is what I do. I now put it inside my pot, of course containing hot water. Okay, just as you see me. So stay with me, okay? Just stay with me. Now when I put this, I know I just stir it, and before you do this, if there are other lumps that were not properly blended or something like that, just take them off. Okay, take them off. We just want the fully blended fiber. Okay, so just put it inside and make a paste like this. Okay, so because the fiber does not contain starch, of course you don't expect it to coagulate. Okay, so we're going to solve that problem. So in this case, what I'm going to use now to make it to come together, okay, so that it will be able to form ball just like your fufu. Okay, so what I'm going to use now is my oat flour. So that's oat flour. So this oat flour I blend, it's just regular 100% oats that I blended into powder by myself. Then I start turning it. So you turn, you make sure you mix properly to avoid any kind of lumps or something like that. So you just go ahead and keep turning. That's it. Just have fun turning. Okay, so this part is just you turn. So what I'm trying to do is to mix properly the beetroot fiber with the oat flour. Okay, so turn, and that's it. Turner and everything got thickened together. We got ourselves a very beautiful velvety red beetroot oat fufu. Hey my people. So in that way, the fiber still goes into the body, to clean our gut and give us a healthy gut. And go ahead and use the favorite soup or stew of your choice to enjoy this. And if you really enjoyed watching this video, please don't keep this update to yourself. Share. Let's help and encourage others. Okay, so healthy living lifestyle is the deal now. Okay, we want to eat smart, want to eat healthy, and we want to also make sure we're feeding our body the right menu. Okay, so that's me now enjoying my beetroot oat fufu with my okra soup, and that's it. Easy peasy, you see, and just go ahead and enjoy it. Okay, and I will see you in another video, and until then, make wise choices. Okay, let your food be your medicine. Okay, but don't let your medicine be your food. These are two different things. Once you are choosing the right food for your body, once you're eating healthy, your food becomes your food and your medicine at the same time. So you don't have to get a particular stage and naturally start drugging your system with lots of chemicals because you did not make wise choices when you're supposed to do that. So that's why I'm here. I got you guys, and make sure you watch my videos to get the updates. And that's me drinking the beetroot juice. Okay, and I'm getting both benefits, but in different forms. You see the smartness? That is our goal for 2024 and moving forward. I'll see you in another video, guys, and remain blessed. Bye bye.